All right, welcome back to part 2 of this video. I have a tip that says these tins here that I've kept sealed since 2021 have evolving skies in them. So I'm going to open those up and see if they do, in fact, because I would love to pull some evolving skies. Pull the Dragonite or the Umbreon. Got some freaking heat in those things, man. But it is evolving Cries. That's what everyone tells me. So I'm going to open up these tins that I've kept sealed. Got the Jolteon promo. Very nice. There we go. Evolving Skies. Chilling Rain. Battle Styles. Sword and Shield. Wow. Alright, going on to the Flareon tin. Flareon promo. And look at that. Evolving Skies. I have kept these tins sealed in my collection for quite a while now. So, ooh, that one had 2 Evo Skies. Wow, that's great. Let's go on to the third one, the Vaporeon. This one has Evolving Skies, Chilling Rain, Battle Styles. Okay, so out of the 3 tins, I was able to get 4 packs of Evolving Skies. Market value is 30 to 36 on each of these. And I have the 2 Umbreon Evolving Skies that I pulled from the first partner packs. So, Sylveon. Wow. All right, I got those sleeved and top loaded. So, all in all, I got the nice promo cards from the tins, and I have 6 total packs of Evolving Skies that I can open. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. I got 6 packs of Evolving Skies with the potential to pull the Umbreon or any of the other fantastic cards from that set. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip them. This is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, $180. $180 in packs. And then I'm also going to rip the 151 because nobody responded to my trades. So I was offering sealed pack trades for some loose cards, but nobody responded to my messages. So I'm just going to go ahead and get it done. We're just going to open them up because I want to see if I can pull something. Okay, nothing there. It's going to be 4 to the front, I believe. Okay, let's get into the second pack, because even if I pull one decent card out of these 6 packs, I'll be happy. If I don't pull anything, that's okay too. All right, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4 to the front. Start off with the energy. Swoobat, Digging Gloves, Stormy Mountains, Wobbuffet, Ludisk, Dwebble, Hippopotas, Zorua, Reverse Chiron, and Raichu. Okay. That is a hit according to Evolving Skies. Alright, I got 4 packs left. Let's keep going. $180 in packs. Could have easily traded it for something good, but I felt like it was worth risking it. Kept them sealed. I don't want to be out. Spirit Mask, Gordy, missed one. Temple, Psyduck, Eevee, Cutie Pika Pika, Reverse Drowsy, and a Smeargle. These packs open so much easier than the new packs. Love it. All right, let's get that code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got a Water Energy, Dream Ball, Zinnia's Resolve, Hippopotam, Hoppip, Swablu, Zorua, Cryogonal, Petalil, Reverse Flapple, Wishy Washy. Nothing there. Alright, got 2 packs. These are the Umbreon packs. Watch me pull the Moonbreon, or watch me pull absolutely nothing. Either way, I'm having fun. Good times. Thank you for watching my videos. 4 to the front. Like I said, I just enjoy making content for everybody that is interested. Pika Pika. Applin. Reverse Fletchlander, and nothing. Okay. So, this is my last pack of Evolving Skies. I don't get to open these very often, so I'm just enjoying the process. Hopefully I can get something that's not a green code card, and nope, not going to happen. Alrighty. Let's get it going. Carvonha. Emolga. Fletchlander Reverse. Ampharos. Non-hollow. Alright, so I did get this hollow Raichu. Very nice. And some reverse cards. And that's about it. Alright, I'm going to take a short break and get into some of these other packs. Alright, I'm going to go for the 151. I think I'll have the best shot of getting something good. Go for the Charizard, Blastoise, Venusaur, Zapdos. Any of those things would be great. I have not opened a ton of 151, so this is nice. Nope, it is 1 to the front. Yep, 1 to the front. Ooh, okay. That has a ton of swirls. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just go ahead and get that one sleeved up. I have never seen that many swirls in one card before. That's really cool. That's probably an error card. All right, and let's just pull something. Let's pull something out of this 151, why don't we? Pika! Farfetch'd. Seeking. Butterfree. Lapras. Dugtrio. Jiggly Jiggly. And Ditto. Okay. Got 3 more packs to go for 151. I'm still shocked at that trainer or energy card having multiple swirls on it. That is unusual. Energy, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Charmander, Scyther, Charmeleon, Parasect, EV Reverse, Grimer, Mewtwo, Hollow. Code card, 1 to the front. Fire Energy, Clefairy, Machop, Porygon, Electabuzz, Scyther, Charmeleon, Parasect, Farfetch Reverse, Poliwhirl Illustration. Very nice. And a Chansey. Okay, that's my first decent hit. The Poliwhirl from 151. That's a beautiful card. Go up there. And I got one more. Code card. 1 to the front. Flip a dippy. Let's get into it. Let's pull something good. Dragonair. Dragonite. Oh, yes. Oh my god, that's a good card. Sorry, Sheldon, you missed out on that one, buddy. That is a great card. Mew EX. Gold. Gold Mew EX. Wow. Alright guys, I'm going to take a short break and do another video. Here are my hits. I got the Mew EX, Poliwhirl, and the Raichu Hollow. and energy with a ton of swirls. All right,